Life moves fast and can get complicated for the ones we love. We don't need more stress. We need together time. We need solutions. We need experiences. That's why this year, I made sure to get the perfect gift, a gift that we can both enjoy. With America's #1 barbecue subscription box, each month we get to explore and experience so many unique styles of barbecue together. With pitmaster-approved recipes, endless barbecue tips, special offers, and more, Grill Masters Club truly delivers the ultimate barbecue experience. Surprise that someone special in your life with the perfect gift, the gift of barbecue. Sign up today at grillmastersclub.com.